How to activate order confirmation SMS in your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to activate or enable order confirmation SMS in your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the dashboard, you can navigate to the setting in the bottom left corner here. You can click on it. And then if you scroll down in the left side, you will find notification tab. You can click on it. And then you will find customer notification. Click again here. And then the last one, you can click order confirmation. You can click on it. And then this is the confirmation template for email. So this is the order confirmation template for email, as you can see. And then you can activate the SMS by click this one. And as you can see, this is the preview. And in order to activate it, you can just click activate here. And then you can just click activate. And it's activated. So when customer buy your products or order your products, they will get both email notification and also the SMS notification. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.